I can be a rock star, baby, but I'm selling CDs at the trunk of my car. I could be a rich guy, maybe, but I'll make $10 and I want you to get by. I'm sick of standing on the edge. I'm sick of staying in my bed. I should make something of myself. I can be a nice guy, baby, but I leave you hanging for the 17th time. I can do the right thing, maybe, but I've been catching L's every day of my life. I'm sick of standing on the edge. I'm sick of staying.
Good morning, you guys. I am up and ready. I first thing in the morning like to get on my Fitbit. I like to track my steps and how many calories I burn in a day. So that's one of my big priorities when I first wake up. So I've been trying to make sure that I get it charged at night because sometimes I forget. But recently I've been starting to incorporate a glass of water when I first wake up. And then I added some frozen lemon cubes. Genius idea. Saw it here from a YouTuber on here as well. Her name was Juicy Jazz. If you guys have not seen her channel, please go check it out. But I also let my dogs outside to go potty. I will feed them and just kind of get our morning started. Since I don't have a workout today because it is a rest day, I normally just do fasted workouts. I don't eat. I just wake up, work out, sip on water and pre-workout, etc. But this morning was a rest day, so I'm going to go ahead and go into some stretching and just doing some type of like foam rolling and just stretching it out today.
Something of myself. I should make something of myself. I should make something of myself.
I am spiraling down, and you can save me now. Isn't it funny how we all seem to feel like it's all a dream? Don't you wish you could shut it out? Don't you wish you could make it stop? Don't you wish you could fade away? Fade away. Fade away. Fade away. Feel it coming, no use running. Isn't this what you want? Me to give up and to slip out? Would you expect me to say? Don't you wish you could shut it off? Don't you wish you could make it stop? Don't you wish you could fade away? 'Cause alcohol doesn't seem to work. I can still feel all the hurt, but I'm trying to.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with some breakfast, and I'm actually following a nutrition program that is based off my calorie target and my goals. So I just want you guys to keep in mind when you are watching people's YouTube videos to consider that they are eating to base off their goals. So whether they are to lose weight, maintain weight, or actually to gain weight. So you just have to be careful. You guys should really be consuming foods based on your fitness goals and your current status of like your fitness and your weight and all of those fun things. So just keep that in mind when you guys are following what other people are eating. It's a good way to get some inspiration, but please don't completely follow other people's diets to a T and expect the results that you want to see. So if you guys are interested in learning more about how to calculate your calorie target and how to eat for you, you can message me and I'll help you and we'll get you on a nutrition plan. But other than that, this morning I'm making 2 eggs, some broccoli, some peanut butter toast, and I believe that's it.
Here I go, emotional. Why do I let you in? Throwing words, I let them hurt, let them under my skin. Where do we go? Where do we go from here? How do we wash away the last 4 years? How did you get so cold? Am I the only one who can't let go now, even though we're better off apart? I wear you like a tattoo on my heart, hanging like a broken work of art. Used to be love time until you fucked up. Now I'm just a rose inside the dark, trying to figure out what's in my head, like trying to put a needle through something red. After the flames, still wearing your name. All you are is a tattoo on my heart, heart. Is a tattoo on my heart, heart. Blame on you, blame on me, all over nothing. Black and gold, disposable.
So if you guys follow me on social media, you guys probably know by now that I am a health and fitness coach, and I do talk to all my girls on social media. So I'll send out messages, I'll kind of check in with my teammates, and just talk business and all those fun things. So that's currently what I'm doing. I'll spend a couple hours doing this and just spending time on my business. But on my notebook here, I'm just kind of going over some finances. So I just wanted to learn like how much I've made in the past 2 months as a coach, and then versus how much I've spent. So I've been trying to like even it out, if not make income and profit from it. So I'm trying to just calculate that. But I realized that in the past 2 months, I've already made $600, and that's kind of like not knowing what I'm doing. So it's just really cool. I love the business, and I love just working with others and just showing up. I mean, I get paid to work out. That's literally like what we do. So it's just really cool. So if you guys want any information on coaching, I totally can like send it to you on social media if it interests you. But for right now, oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. And it's seriously one of my favorite things. And even if you don't make a profit off of it, you can literally just pay for your supplements off of coaching. So even if you aren't interested in like building it into a business and working from home, you guys can easily just pay for your supplements. So like your shakes, your pre-workout, like if you just want supplements for free, like this is a good way to do it. But I am going to go ahead and take a few hours to do this. I like to spend a few hours during my morning on coaching and just kind of getting some things done and filling out our business tracker and stuff like that. After I do that, then I'll typically go ahead and have my shake for the day and go from there.
Something on myself, something on myself. I should make something on myself, something on myself. I should move to Vegas, baby, since I'm so good at gambling with my life. I should get a detox, maybe. Clean up all the alcohol I drank from last night. I'm sick of standing on the edge. I'm sick of staying in my bed. I should make something of myself, something of myself, something of myself. I should make something.
I am spiraling down, and you can.
So one thing that I absolutely love doing, it's like one of my favorite things, is to buy a bunch of bananas at once. So I'll buy like 3 bundles, and I'll let some of them just kind of get brown and spotty like this. And then like right before they go bad, I will cut them up and freeze them, and I will use them for any type of shakes or smoothies or even ice cream recipes sometimes. So definitely freeze your bananas. Do not waste them. I was just freaking talking to my mom about this the other day. She throws away her bananas, you guys. I was like, do not throw away your bananas. You can give them to me and I'll freeze them. Like, love it. Love, love, love it. Speaking of smoothies or shakes, that is what I'm going to be doing next. I'm making my protein shake. Oh my goodness, you guys. It is full of superfoods, has tons of vitamins and nutrients, and so, so good for you.
Fade away, feel it coming, no use running. Isn't this what you want? Me to give up and to slip out. Would you expect me to say?
Alright, you guys, so pretty much at this point in my day, I'm just getting ready, and as you guys can see, I colored my hair back to dark because it was purple before, and it just looks so healthy and glowy, but I think a lot of that has to do with the nutrients that I'm consuming, and all the vegetables, and just like with my diet recently. But as far as my skin, I just don't know if you guys have been here for a long time, and have seen my previous videos, but can we just appreciate how much better my eczema is? Like, it was so awful, you guys. Like, it used to be terrible, and like, it's just like amazing how much food can change your skin. Like, just decreasing the amount of processed foods and sugar and just eating more nutrient dense foods, it's seriously mind-blowing how much it has changed my skin and my eczema, you guys. It is incredible, and I really hope that you guys, or if you guys are struggling with any type of skin condition, to really focus on what you guys are consuming and see what it does for you. It is insane. But enough of that talk. I just wanted to share that because my skin has just been amazing lately. But as far as my eyebrows, you guys, I'm so excited because I have a microblading appointment soon. It is super expensive. It's like $450, but to not have to fill in my brows every day for 3 years is going to be absolutely incredible. Like, can you imagine just waking up for years with your brows are just perfect every day? Like, I can't wait, you guys.
To say, now you wish you could shut it out.
Hello friends, so I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit because today is my rest day. So you guys saw this morning I did some stretching and just kind of wind down. I don't know why I had trouble saying that. Anyways, so I didn't have a workout to share with you guys today, but I do lots and lots of at-home workouts. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I highly suggest it. I seriously show like so many stuff on my stories. It's insane. I post so much a day, it's crazy. Like, I probably should back off the social media just a little bit, but I do post a ton. So if you guys have not seen on there, I started as a health coach. So I have been working from home a lot more lately, especially because of COVID. Then I went on vacation, and then there wasn't like any shifts open when I came back. So I've been working a lot from home. And I gotta tell you, I've made almost $600 in 2 months from coaching already. So it's just been insane. I like can't even believe that I waited so long to do it. I'm just like so excited about it. So along those lines of coaching, I wanted to share what I've been doing to lose weight, to share with others what I've been doing. So I actually follow my own at-home workouts, and I also follow my own nutrition program. So that nutrition program is actually tailored to my goals. So it actually tells me the calorie target that I should be focusing on, how much food I should be consuming a day, and then how many of each food group. So if I should be having a certain amount of vegetables, certain amount of carbs, etc. So I absolutely love it. I went to Florida, as you guys saw in my last video, and in that video I weighed 231 pounds, or 231.4. And when I came back from vacation, starting on the 2nd, I think it was a Saturday, and today is January 7th, so it's only been a couple days, and I am down almost 4 pounds. I am down 3.4 pounds. Isn't that crazy? Like, that's insane. But that is because I have dove so hard into my nutrition and following my nutrition plan to a T and following the workouts. It's a 9-week program, and it's seriously amazing. If you guys want any more information on it, I'm so happy to reach out and like talk to you guys and share with you what I've been doing and tell you everything about it if you guys are interested. So definitely reach out to me on social media if you guys have not already, and let's get you started on a health journey. Alright, you guys, so that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my future videos. Bye!
Oh, you wish you could make it stop.